Yeah, wildlife that bird show 11:20 AM லேருந்து 3 PM லேருந்து ஸ்டார்ட் ஆகுது. ஸோ இப்போ ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ண போகிறாங்க. போய் பார்க்கலாம் எப்படி இருக்குன்னு பார்க்கலாம்.
How are you feeling today? Very good to hear. Now, before we start, I have a few simple rules for you guys to follow. Number one, you guys need to remain seated and keep your hands to yourself because we will be having birds all over the theater. Number two, you can take picture and video as much as you want, but please turn off the flash. Number three, you can drink inside of our wildlife theater because today is very hot, but please do not eat inside of the wildlife theater. This is because our birds are very food positive. We don't want them to sit next to you and ask for one popcorn, please. Alright, so everyone is clear with the rules? Yes, alright. Now let's all clap our hands together for Willie. Where is Willie? There you go. Now, Willie right here is the blue and gold macaw from South America. They are mostly found in Brazil. And then you can see what Willie wants to do now. Okay, looks like Willie is trying to get the coconut cup by using its claws and its beaks. And what is it in the coconut cup, Willie? Show to the guests. Wow, it's a banana. So Willie is having banana for breakfast today. Who else love banana? Raise up your hands. Wow, a lot of you guys love banana because Willie is right here is frugivorous, meaning they love to eat fruits. And then you can see how Willie is holding the fruit. One leg holding the fruit and the other leg supporting the body. It shows that Willie have a very strong leg. And then you can look closely to the beak as well. It's very sharp, right? This actually can crush a coconut husk. So one day, if you need to handle this bird, you need to be really careful because you might lose a finger. Now, looks like Willie. Are you going back? Yes, he's going back. Let's all say bye-bye, Willie.
Bye.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, I am pretty sure you guys have seen a bird fly, right? Can you guys show me how did they fly? By flapping the wings really fast. Now, I will walk through with you guys the deeper method of flying with the help of Willie older brother. Now, let's all clap our hands together for Mango. Wow, there you go, Mango. So did you guys notice? Right before he landed, he actually flapping the wings really fast and the tail is pointed down. This is because the wing helps in controlling speed and also direction while the tail is helping for him to take a smoother landing. Now, other than this, they also have light and hollow bones. With this light and hollow bones, it helps in their breathing system. So whenever they breathe in, it helps to cool down the body. Here is our lead trainer, Ranger Aiman. And Mango will go back with Ranger Aiman. Thank you. Bye-bye, Mango. Now, we already discovered the birds of South America. Let's move on a bit to Southeast Asia. Okay, I have a few clues for you guys. Number one, she is medium in size. She's a bit smaller than the other two birds. Number two, she is white in color. And number three, the most important clue, you must hear very closely. She has an umbrella on top of the head. Huh? Very weird, right? So if you guys want to see our next bird, let's all clap our hands together for Putri and our lead trainer Ranger Aiman. This is Putri. Now, looks like Putri has a very special task today. Wow, she is raising the flag in honor of our beautiful country, Malaysia, truly Asia. Wow, good job, Putri. Now, I also believe that Putri have a very special message for everyone inside of the wildlife theater. Now, Putri right here is called as White cockatoo because of the obvious white color. And she is also called as umbrella crested cockatoo because you can look at on top of the head, they have a feathers that looks like an upside down umbrella. I think Putri is giving us a very nice and fuzzy welcome to the Wildlife Theatre. Now come bring Putri to the front a bit. Now, birds like Putri umbrella crested cockatoo, if we want to differentiate between the male and the female, we need to look very closely to the color of the eyes. Come Ranger, we show to the front row a bit. What is the eye color? No. Red in color, correct. So for female bird, it will be red in color. While for the male bird, it will be either dark brown or black in color. Alright? Okay. Let's all say bye-bye, Putri. Now, for our next bird, we need to turn off the fan and the mist for one because he is a bit medium size. He is a bit smaller than Putri. And these birds came all the way from Africa. They have a cute grey body and also bright red tail. You might have seen them inside of social medias and also animal documentaries. Now, let's all clap our hands together for Jojo. Where is Jojo? There you go, Jojo is flying really low. Now, Jojo right here is an African grey parrot. They came all the way from the deep jungles of Congo and also Kenya. Now, birds like Jojo is considered as the smartest parrot of the world because they can mimic sounds and words very well. Some studies say that birds like Jojo have an IQ for about 5 to 6 years old kids. So I believe that Jojo right here is very smart. Ranger Aiman, I heard that Jojo is in training. Is it true? Oh, it's true. So can Jojo say hi or hello to our audience? Oh, not yet. It's okay now. To show Jojo some support, let's all say good luck to Jojo in the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Good luck, Jojo. And good luck to Ranger Aiman as well because training this bird is not an easy job at all. Now, Ranger, I saw you smiling already. I heard that our next friend is a very special friend to you. Oh, he said yes. In the scale of 1 to 10, how special is it? Wow, perfect 10. I believe that your friend will come all the way from the entrance, right? Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, you need to remain seated and keep your hands to all at all time because our little friend will come all the way from entrance. Now, are you friend ready? Okay, now let's all clap together for Yoko. Wow, Miss Yoko. So, Yoko is a lesser sulfur crested cockatoo. Yoko, I want to ask you a few questions as well. Number 1, we have a lot of birds just now. And are you sure you are the Yoko? Well, she said yes. Number 2, I saw that you have done your hair, you put on some makeup. Do you feel pretty today, Yoko? She said she feels fabulous. And number 3, a bit scandalous question. I heard that you and Ranger Aiman is a special friend. Is it true? She said yes. Do you have any proof or no? Kissing on the cheek, very sweet. Aww. I believe that so want to show off some of her flying skill by flying around the theater. Now, Ranger, are we ready? Okay. Hoops high, please. Now, let's all count together with me. 1. Miss Yoko, sorry, forget to ask you. Are you ready? Oh, she said yes. All count together with me. 1, 2, 3. Wow, Yoko's going to the first hoop, second hoop, and third hoops. Wow. Excellent, Yoko. Hey, Yoko, are I saw your hair is still out there. Looks like you want to go for the second round, is it? She said yes. Oh, she said yes, yes. Okay, Wendy, what do we need for the second round? Alright, so we will need 3 adult volunteers to help to hook. Who would like to try? Raise up your hands. Okay, so with the card, you can go to our ranger Habib over there. Okay, so you can go to our ranger Emerald. Okay, so with the red shirt, you can go to our ranger Paris. Alright, so you guys can hold the rope properly. Make sure your grip is tight and firm. Okay, volunteers, are you guys ready? Okay, so you can sit first. Alright, if you guys ready, can show me a thumbs up. Alright, now, Miss Yoko, are you ready for the second round? Wow, 2 wings up mean very, very ready. Now let's all count together with me. 1, 2, 3. Okay, splash to the first hoop, second hoop, and third hoop. Thank you so much, Yoko. And thank you so much to our volunteer as well. You can have a seat and continue to enjoy this. Now, I believe that Yoko also have something to say before she went back home. What is it, Yoko? Yoko is saying bye-bye, everyone. Now, birds like Yoko can be found in much larger size in Australia. And speaking of Australia, I have a few friends from Papua New Guinea. Let's all clap our hands together for Eclectus parrots. Look at these beautiful birds. Now this is Mario and Maria. Now back in the days when the scientists found them, they were separated into 2 groups. One group with all green birds and the other group with all red birds. And later on, they wonder why does this bird doesn't make any babies? Can you guess why? Actually, this is because the same color means the same gender. So if you want to make them to have a babies, you need to mix up between the red and also the green so they can have a babies. It looks like our ferret has gone back already. Now, our ranger will come in with his magic tools. And for this one, we need to turn off the fan and the mix for once again because this will be the smallest burst of the show. Alright, now Ranger Emerald, I believe that you will need one child volunteer. Yes. Now, who would like to try? Raise up your hands. Okay, I will need one child volunteer. Okay, I think I want you. Alright. Now you can go to our ranger over there, Ranger Emerald. Okay, let's all clap for our volunteer first. Okay, you can hold the stick properly. Are you scared? No. Okay, I believe you. Now, let's all clap our hands together for the cornea couples. There you go. They are our sun corneas, Ray and me. You can look at the color. It's very beautiful. They have yellow, red, and orange color, just like the sunset. Now, these birds came all the way from South America, but no worries. You don't have to go very far to take a closer look to them. You can go to our aviary section to feed and to take a closer look for them for only 5 ringgit. Now, give a clap to our small volunteer over here. Thank you so much. You are very, very brave. Now, for the next session, I would like to dedicate this part for the lovely ladies of the theater. Thank you so much, DJ, for changing the music. I will need one female adult volunteer to help me out. Who would like to try? Okay, I need someone adult. Okay, you want to try, miss? Yes. Are you brave enough today? You want to try? If you want to try, can you come up to me? I have a few questions for you. Okay, let's all clap for our volunteer. Okay, number. What is your name? Prajita. Prajita. Okay, let's all say hi, Prajita. All right. Number two. Where are you from? From India. Okay, I get it. For the last question, can you help me to go to our ranger barbers over there, up there? Okay. Okay, Bajeta, do you know what will happen to you next? No, not too sure. Nothing lah, because we actually going to turn you into our very own human sacrifice. Prajita, Prajita, Prajita. Is it your day or your unlucky day? We need to see very, very soon what time of when we get to you. Now, Prajita, can you help me to spread your hands like this? Okay, Ranger Parvez, you can put the sacrificial powder on top of her hand. Okay, take a seat first. Okay, how are you feeling? Miss Prajata, are you feeling nervous? No, she's feeling brave today. Okay, now, Miss Prajata, are you ready? Ready? Okay, now let's all clap our hands together for the White King Pigeon! There you go! Wow, one lost GPS already. It's okay, Miss Projecta, you look very nice up there. This is our White King Pigeon. Came all the way from Paris to spread love and joy for everyone inside of the Wala Theatre. Look at you, very pretty.